Hello and welcome to section 1 of this volume entitled Working with App Engine. Google Cloud Platform provides infrastructure for deploying applications in the cloud. It frees us, as developers, from the overhead of managing infrastructure, provisioning servers, and configuring networks, and allows us to focus on developing applications. Whether we need to build a multi-tiered web application from scratch or host a static website, Google Cloud Platform provides services and infrastructure that enable us to develop and deploy scalable, globally available applications and websites. The same infrastructure that runs Google Apps is available to users of the cloud platform. Google's global network footprint with over 75 points of presence across more than 33 countries ensures apps running on Google Cloud Platform receive the same low latency and responsiveness as Google's own services. On Google Cloud Platform, there are many ways to deploy applications, from managed VMs to containerized app services and more. The Managed Platform as a Service option of Google Cloud Platform is called Google App Engine. App Engine provides a wide range of features that make scalability, load balancing, logging, monitoring, and security much easier than if we had to build and manage them ourselves. With that, in this section of the course, we'll see how App Engine sits within the whole of the Google Cloud Platform and see how it's integrated with other Google Cloud Platform products and services. We'll then shift our focus to scaling applications within App Engine and how this is so easily configured. We'll then discuss provisioning and resource usage on App Engine and how to design and configure an app for best performance on the most efficient cost schedule. We'll then expand this concept by looking further at how resources are integrated into an app and how to do this with cost efficiency in mind. And on that note, we'll roll right into the first video in this course section titled App Engine within the Google Cloud Platform. App Engine sits within the whole of the Google Cloud Platform, which we know is a deep and broad array of cloud products and services. Many of these other Google Cloud Platform products and services are integrated, either directly or indirectly, with the App Engine product to expand App Engine's feature set and provide features and functionality to meet the needs of most any application's design specifications. In this video, we'll see how App Engine is a member of the Google Cloud Platform's Compute family of products, which also includes Google Container Engine and Google Compute Engine. We'll look at amazing Google Cloud Platform services and APIs that are available for use within an App Engine product. And finally, we'll look at Google Cloud Platform's Console, which provides UI for integrating services and APIs. App Engine is in Google Cloud Platform's Compute family of products, which also includes Google Compute Engine and Google Container Engine. Both of these products, as compared to App Engine, are infrastructure as a service offerings, meaning they don't have a complete application development pathway. These products are amazing environments for applications that are already written, and in many cases, running elsewhere in a completely different environment, but can be easily migrated and run efficiently, oftentimes most efficiently, on one of these infrastructure products. Google Compute Engine delivers virtual machines running in Google's innovative data centers and worldwide fiber network. Compute Engine's tooling and workflow support enable scaling from single instances to global load-balanced cloud computing. Compute Engine's VMs boot quickly, come with persistent disk storage, and deliver consistent performance. These virtual servers are available in many configurations, including predefined sizes or the option to create custom machine types optimized for specific needs. Flexible pricing and automatic sustained use discounts help to make Compute Engine a viable option for many deployment cases. Google Container Engine is a powerful cluster manager and orchestration system for running Docker containers. Container Engine schedules containers into the cluster and manages them automatically based on defined requirements, such as CPU and memory. It's built on the open-source Kubernetes system, which provides flexibility in on-premise, hybrid, or public cloud infrastructure. Clearly, the Compute family of products are for hosting applications in the cloud. App Engine's advantage to the other two products, from our perspective, is that it is a platform as a service product, which provides a complete lifecycle solution which, unlike Compute Engine and Container Engine, require little, if any, sysadmin type of role in the process. App Engine is completely managed in the cloud for us, so we don't have to think about things like capacity, reliability, and performance. A new addition to the Compute family is Cloud Functions, which is currently in beta, it adds another dimension to cloud computing and the Google Cloud Platform in fully serverless models of computing where logic can be spun up on demand in response to events originating from anywhere. Applications or support for applications can be constructed from bite-sized business logic, which is built by Google Cloud Platform in 100 millisecond blocks. Cloud functions scale like App Engine and can serve users from 0 to planet scale, all without the owner having to manage any infrastructure. The Cloud Functions offering is tightly integrated to App Engine through use of the Cloud SDK and can be tapped easily to support, simplify, and extend cloud apps. On that note, there are many fundamental services and APIs for binding to an App Engine app, all available and easily accessible through the App Engine and Cloud SDK. These include entries in the Google Cloud Platform storage and database line of products. We'll look specifically at the Cloud Data Store service for persisting and accessing data for App Engine applications. We'll look at how to bind our data to Cloud Data Store within our app classes with a library called Objectify, which annotates our data entries so Cloud Data Store can understand them and manage them in a NoSQL kind of way. For contrast and comparison's sake, we can consider Google Cloud Platform's networking family of services, which include Cloud Virtual Networking, Cloud CDN, Cloud DNS, and Cloud Interconnect, and finally, Cloud Load Balancing. These services all are aimed primarily to support the implementations on Google Cloud Platform's infrastructure as a service products. As App Engine has most of these types of concerns covered inherently, Cloud Load Balancing and Cloud CDN are good examples of this, as App Engine provides scalability in the efficient way app instances are managed, and many CDN type of features are present in App Engine in the way apps are geographically siloed and the way App Engine's application static content is delivered on the extent of the Google network. Also, directly accessible to App Engine are the Google Cloud Platform's big data and machine learning products and services, which are outside of the scope of this course, but we should be aware of their availability in any Google Cloud Platform project. Of the huge list of APIs Google provides, some of the most relevant for core App Engine discussions are, as mentioned, the Cloud Data Store API for data management, Cloud Storage Services API for storing binary data, which also has a JSON version, and other typically used APIs for any web application like the Google Analytics API and Google's URL shortener. Of course, these and all other Google APIs are directly accessed by App Engine apps, meaning they're accessed within the Google network, so they perform optimally. These also include the Google Maps APIs, YouTube APIs, Google Apps APIs, and all of the Google advertising interfaces. Fortunately, all of the management of these products, services, and APIs can be performed in the Google Cloud Platform Console. We've seen how easy it is to set up a project, then make it App Engine specific. We've seen how billing is handled within the Google Cloud Platform Console, and we've seen how management and configuration UIs can be accessed for each family of Google Cloud Platform products and each specific product or service within each family. Access for Compute Engine, Container Engine, and Cloud Functions sit right alongside the App Engine link. And we can see access for Cloud Data Store is available within the Storage grouping within the main menu. Finally, near the top of the main drop-down menu is the link for the API Manager, which provides a dashboard for a generalized view of API activity and a library view for an iteration of all of the available APIs that are accessible by a Google Cloud Platform project. In this video, we saw how App Engine sits within the deep and broad array of cloud products that compose the Google Cloud Platform. And we talked about how many of these other Google Cloud Platform products and services are integrated, either directly or indirectly, with the App Engine product to expand App Engine's feature set and provide features and functionality to meet the needs of most any application's design specifications. We saw specifically how App Engine sits in the Google Cloud Platform's Compute family of products, which also includes Google Container Engine, the Google Compute Engine, and most recently, the Google Cloud Functions product. We learned how amazing Google Cloud Platform services and APIs are inherently available for use within an App Engine project, most via the App Engine or Cloud SDKs, and we understand that these are all accessed directly within the Google network without ingress or egress. Finally, we looked at the Google Cloud Platform Console and the convenient and simple UI it provides for integrating all of these services and APIs.